My name is Matt Amendola. I'm a CNC programmer and operator here at Tessy Automation. When I was at FedEx, I thought that was going to be my career path, but unfortunately they made cuts and shut our station down. Then they gave us the option of taking a severance or staying on as a temporary employee, and that just didn't sound very stable to me. I met the recruiter Nate at a job fair at Cranberry Mall, and it just seemed very interesting to me. It seemed like a very stable position. It seemed like something that's always going to be needed. Going through the MAC program, it did provide me with the stepping stone to start as far as basic operation of the machines. Phil, my tool room supervisor, and Hector, the person who's my trainer. So they know what they're doing. They've done this before. They know all the tricks of the trade. They know all the shortcuts and things you can take in order to save time while is also making quality product.
Matt's doing well. He's learned a lot. He's come a long way.
And actually today's my 1-year anniversary. So if I take a snapshot from 1 year to now, it's greatly improved. There's still a lot to learn, there's still a lot to do, but I'm moving in the right direction. Most of the things that we do, every piece is different. So it's hard to hone your craft at first. I take a lot of notes and go to your notes and try to increase your production time. And that was the biggest part, was just being able to move quickly, but also move with precision.
We do not make hundreds of anything, thousands of anything, not even 10s or 20s quite often. It's one piece of this, two pieces of that. As Matt may be working on a project, I can see how the progress is going on that, tell them that they are doing about what is expected of them. If somebody's looking at the programming, wanting to go through the program, that's a key right there, is they want to be there, they want to go through the program. Matt had that desire, he had that attitude. He wanted to learn, he wanted to get into manufacturing, and having the work ethic is very important. I can't stress the work ethic enough.
It's just, I see growth everywhere here, and I just want to be a part of that.